Hola mis serenitas, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Chiquita Serenita, and today I'm just going to do a real quick unboxing of the Trendmood Box. I am not 100% sure which volume this is. It's the last one that just came out with. I received this I think about a week ago. I just haven't had time to do the unboxing, so I'm going to do the unboxing. Here it is, like how she has it all packed up nice and neat. And if you guys have seen my unboxings on Trendmood, you guys will notice that I'll just like take out one by one. I don't have a way. There is no like logic. I just start pulling stuff out and showing it to you guys one by one. That's usually how these unboxings go. So I'm going to start doing that. Just start taking out the products and showing off to you guys, okay? First product is True Botanicals. What is that? Ginger Turmeric Cleansing Balm. I'm not sure. What is this? Let me see if it says what it's used for. Cleansing balm is formulated to clean off dirt and impurities while at the same time exfoliating and hydrating to lock moistures in. Skin is left feeling super hydrated even after cleansing. And it has yucca plant, cucumber seed oil, lactic and azelaic acid. And the directions say to warm a quarter-size amount between the fingers, massage all over. This sounds great. Like, y'all, let me tell you, for the price that you're paying for her boxes, like one or two products pay in itself already. I can tell you straight up because I went online and looked at the price of this box. I believe was $44. Her boxes are anywhere from $44 maybe like to $48.50 at the most. I believe I've seen some of them like that. They all differentiate. They're different. But I can tell you that one of the products in here, I literally looked it up online, and that is the same price of this box. So like that little product in there is the entirety of this box. So to me, it's like you're getting way over the amount. I'm gonna put that in the description box. Because she usually does a good job about, this is what you're paying, but this is what the overall box is worth, you know? So when you open this little True Botanical, the product is, look how big this product. You're getting a lot of product in here. And it has this little flippy thing. I want to see if it smells like anything. Oh, it smells like turmeric. I know that smell of turmeric, and it's got a yellow tint to it. Oh my God, you can smell that ginseng in it. I think it has ginseng, right? Ginger, yeah, you can smell the ginger. It's got this little wooden to apply it. And yeah, you guys, let's move on to the next product real quick. Next product is Kopari Sun Shield Soft Glow Daily Face SPF 30. I saw it when they were showing this one. What does it say? Let me see. Direction. No, it doesn't. That's useless. It helps prevent sunburn if used directly with other skin protection measures. Okay, so obviously you apply it at least every 40 minutes. Jesus! I can't remember to... yeah, that might not go down for me. I won't remember to apply it every 40 minutes, y'all. Who has time to apply every 45 minutes? I mean, a lot of these makeup that we're using nowadays, even our foundation has SPF. A lot of them do. I don't know about yours, but mine does. and the powders that I buy too. There's even primers now that are coming out with SPF. Dang it, I can't even get this thing out. Y'all are joking me, right? The bottom, the bottom has a little glue. So no wonder I'm like, and the thing is not coming out because it's stuck in there with a freaking piece of putty glue or whatever. That rubbery stuff that you usually see on the bottom of foiled aluminum pans that you buy at Walmart. What the hell? Yeah, but this is what it looks like when you get it out of there. And I'm not sure if it has like a smell. It smells like SPF. Like lotion. You know, the copper tone stuff that you have. I mean, oh my God, this feels amazing. It has a powdery like a powdery softness to it. I don't know how to explain it. It feels so freaking soft on the skin. Yeah, it's like powder. It's really smooth, y'all. Smells like a baby's butt. Not just Let's move on to the next product, y'all. Next, we have Biossance Squalane Vitamin C Rose Oil. This is one of the products that as soon as she showed it, I said, oh yeah, I want that box. I love anything that has squalane in it for some reason. Y'all, don't ask me why. I just know that when it has oils and stuff like that, I want it. So this is a facial oil to visibly brighten and firm. And then it's plant-deprived squalane. Let me see if it says anything else. Luxury facial oil with Damascus rose oil, vitamin C to visibly brighten, and Chios crystal oil, known to boost radiance and firm look of skin, helps rejuvenate soft skin for a soft, smooth, and healthy looking glow. Massage a few drops into cleansed face and neck morning and night. So let's open this sucker. Clean, conscious, high performance. That's what it says. Ooh, this is a really good. Let me see. Oh man, that smells good. That smells good, y'all. These are like my first impressions. I know people always say like, I don't know, like people get excited. I'm sorry, I generally get excited over stuff. That smells like rose oil. Oh, that feels so good. That feels so good. That's really one. Okay, you guys. And this is what I love. I get to try out skincare products for like a bargain price. My broke butt can't do it. Okay. Next, we're going to do, this is Biossance Squalane. See, another squalane. Like, as soon as I saw this too, I was like, oh, I want that. Marine Algae Eye Cream. Anything for the eye. You guys know, as we're getting older, if we want to take care of our skin, it doesn't hurt, right? This one says just gently dab under the eye area after, like the morning and the night. Rich and hydrating, instantly and visibly firms and reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles. This product, just this product, is like, I think I saw it for like 38, 40 bucks. Just this little tiny thing for the eyes. So literally the box was like 44, I believe. Don't quote me on that. I might be wrong, but like that's what I remember right around that's what I paid for it. And literally, y'all, this little tiny product is like basically the box. That's what I'm saying. It's worth buying this box. I'm not sure if it's still available. Hopefully you guys still get a chance to snag it up. It took a while for them to give it. Well, it actually came pretty quick. Maybe like a week. It smells like ocean. Does that make sense? It smells like ocean. But that's what it smells like. It must be the algae that's in there, but it smells really good. Oh, I love that. Matter of fact, anything that has marine algae, stuff like that. Even, like seaweed. I love stuff that has natural seaweed, stuff like that. I'm not joking. I don't know why. I do. Because I was like, oh, that must be really good. It's natural. So I go for that kind of stuff. Whatever. Next, we have the KVD Pore-Refining Primer. This is one of the ones that stood out to me too. So I really wanted that one. And then this is basically hydrating, blurring, makeup extending, infused with rice water and green lentil. Ooh. It minimizes the look of pores instantly and over time. And then, I don't know, it doesn't say anything else. I've never tried anything KVD because there was this whole controversy. I'm pretty sure people still hate her guts, even though she's not the head of that company anymore. She sold it or whatever, but I'm pretty sure nobody else wants to buy it. Even though poor people have already they've tried rebranding and everything, and it's just, people are still wary of that company. This came in the box. Normally, I would not buy anything KVD. I think I've been wanting to try the foundation, but that's about it. But I have nothing against them. I would literally try any product. I try to be as non-biased as I can because I'm a YouTube channel at the end of the day. You have to give an honest review and stop trying to hold everything so personal. Oh, I like the way this feels though. Ooh, that feels good. It's white based, so it doesn't show up white on your skin, obviously, but it does feel really good on the skin. And then I think this is the last thing right here. This is the last thing. This is called Nabla Vicious. I don't know if that's how you spell vicious. Volume and Definition Mascara. Oh my God, I wish I would have remembered this was in there. I totally would have wore mascara with this eye look I have on. I would have tried it out. That way I could let you guys know. Yeah, does it look nice? Mascara is mascara to me, honestly. If any company comes up with anything, I don't even pay it no mind. Honestly, I don't. Because mascara at the end of the day is still mascara to me. But look at this. Just look at this. How cute that is that? It's really good. It feels like really good quality. I don't know if that's a panther. I think it's a panther. It looks like a panther. It just says there's only one stage where extreme volume and extra definition perform together. Vicious and 100% instant volume. Let me see what type. Oh God, no. It's a rubber applicator. Oh man. Y'all, I'll let you know. I don't really like rubber applicators. I prefer the you know, the fiber ones, the ones that look like brushes, like actual brushes. I don't really like these ones, but it's here. I'm gonna try it out, okay? And then I just have this little piece where it says True Botanicals. It's talking about the ginseng turmeric one. It has oat and argan oils, turmeric and ginger root, cucumber seed oil, mango and avocado butters. And it's like talking us up on that cleanser. Look at it. It says use spatula included to scoop a balm and then apply directly to dry skin, including eyes. Massage in circular motions. Apply warm water till it breaks into a milky lather. Ooh. Effortlessly wash away all impurities like makeup, sunscreen. And so this is for makeup. Like I can use it before I take off my makeup. It helps protect skin from water loss, I think it says. Can you resolve compromised skin barrier? Formulate harsh surface with pH can strip the moisture from the skin. That's why they replace the harsh suffocants like suffocates and natural makeup melting. They put the good stuff in. They took the good stuff out, bad stuff out. I'm guessing that's what it says right there. Like to sum it up real quick. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm happy. I like doing these little quick videos because it's quick and I like unboxing. So I'll let you guys know if anything stood out really right now. I still have to like test them. These are all new products to me. I've never tried anything from these companies, definitely. Except for Nabla, of course. I've tried Nabla products, but I think this is the first time me ever trying mascara in particular from them. But like Kopari and all them, I've never tried any of those companies at all. So it'd be fun. That's what I like about her boxes. It's like you trying new things, you know, and making you try out these products. That's why you know for the future, like, oh yeah, I would totally buy that at full price. That's how you know. So I love these boxes. I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. And until next time, stay warm, stay blessed, and stay magical. Bye, you guys.